In a small town, there lived a young girl named Maya. She was bright, curious, and full of dreams. Smart, imaginative, and always asking questions. Ever since she was little, she had one goal: to become an engineer. She loved solving problems, designing gadgets, and imagining how things worked. Everyone noticed her talent. Her parents said she had a mind like a sponge. Her teachers praised her intelligence. People expected great things from her. But Maya had one big challenge. Her mind refused to stay still. Whenever she tried to focus on her studies, her thoughts wandered. Sometimes she scrolled through her phone. Sometimes she watched videos for hours on YouTube. Sometimes she drifted into daydreams about traveling the world, inventing amazing machines, or just having fun. Every time she told herself, "I'll study tomorrow, today is fine, I have plenty of time." But tomorrow never came. Her parents tried to guide her. "Maya, you are talented, but talent alone isn't enough. You need focus, practice, and discipline." Her teachers warned her too. "Maya, you are capable of so much, but if you don't train your mind, your potential will go to waste." She nodded politely, but secretly she thought, "I'm smart. That's all that matters. I'll succeed no matter what." Then came the national science competition. Maya had spent the weeks before daydreaming. She did a little here and there, but mostly she was distracted. She believed her natural intelligence would carry her through. The day the results came out, her heart raced. She clicked the link. Her heart sank. She hadn't even ranked in the top 10. Her friends, who had studied consistently, who had put in effort every day, were celebrating. Maya felt a sharp pain of regret and shame. She had the talent, but she had wasted it. That evening, she sat alone in her room. She stared at her desk, at the books she hadn't opened, at the notes she hadn't reviewed. A heavy feeling filled her chest. "I could have done it. I should have done it." For the first time, she realized the truth. Talent is not enough. Without discipline, potential is wasted. She decided right then that she would change. She remembered Mrs. Thompson, her teacher, known not just for teaching math and science, but for helping students develop focus and self-control. People said even the most distracted students would become disciplined under her guidance. The next day, Maya went to her. "Mrs. Thompson," she said, "I can't focus. My mind keeps drifting. I want to succeed, but I don't know where to start. Can you help me?" Mrs. Thompson smiled gently. "Maya, controlling the mind is not easy, but it can be trained. Let me show you something." She took Maya to the school garden. The sun was rising. The morning air was fresh. From a small shed, she brought a potted plant. "This plant," she said, "is like your mind. It needs care. Water it. Give it sunlight. Protect it from harm. It will grow strong. Neglect it, it will wither. Your mind is no different." Then she shared 4 simple rules. 1. Control your thoughts. When your mind drifts, gently remind yourself, "This is study time. I focus now." 2. Build a routine. Set fixed times for study, breaks, and rest. A mind that knows what to expect is easier to guide. 3. Remove distractions. Phones, social media, games, they steal your attention. Keep them away while studying. 4. Practice every day. Discipline is like a muscle. Small, consistent effort builds strength. Skipping a day weakens it. Maya listened carefully. She started making a strict schedule. She turned off her phone while studying. She used a timer for focus sessions. Every time her thoughts drifted, she reminded herself, "My goal is to become an engineer." At first it was hard. Her mind fought back. She felt frustrated, restless, tempted to give up. But she didn't. She kept practicing. Day by day, her concentration improved. She learned to enjoy focus. She discovered a flow where hours could pass without distraction. The more she practiced, the stronger her mind became. Months later, the next national science competition arrived. This time, Maya didn't just participate, she excelled. She won first place. It wasn't luck, it wasn't just talent, it was focus, daily effort, discipline. Standing on the stage to receive her medal, she remembered Mrs. Thompson's words. The mind is like a bird. If you leave it free, it flies wherever it wants. Train it, and it will take you exactly where you want to go. From that day forward, Maya lived by one rule. Discipline your mind, focus on your goal, success will follow. And she never forgot. Every great achievement begins with a clear goal and a mind trained to pursue it. If this story inspires you, like and share it. Subscribe for more motivating stories. Remember, be patient, be thankful, and keep moving forward.